It is okay. Okay, go. So it's a little bit strange way doing things. We're using $100,000 Schumel piano put here, and that's like a $30,000 grand piano there. We compare the sound with voicing. We must make this one similar to this one, and then we say
So you're using that as the standard for...
yes, everyone has to match this. That's why maybe you guys, somebody had the Palatino piano, like a 5 feet 9 inch grand piano. Why sound so good? That's the reason. So there you see the package. Because we're using this German piano as a guide.
Oh, because
That's bad because what that does is it wears one side of the bushing.
that's
You want them to get in the middle, not one side.
That's
That's a very old
In our
style.
top
of
voice.
Okay, 我去加一句，这可能你不知道。When you see the guy, the lady voicing, we call pre-voicing. It's not the not yet.
Yes.
This is the master. They know he's doing real job. The second time.
Yes. This is the second step of voicing. And after the regulation, the final regulation, he has to inspect the final voicing. So there is 3 steps, and pre-voicing, and the voicing, and the fine voicing.
Does it have 3 needles on there? 3 needles?
Yeah, 3 needles.
Yeah, 3 needles.
Hate to miss. That hurt.
You go.
No blood.
The needle needs a lot of power. He has been doing this job for a long time.
The guy looks very young, but he's already study and working with a German Schumel company for
7 years.
follow up with a master
Matthias Glenn
for 7 years.
Yeah.
And Matthias said he's one of the best voicing guys in China.
Broken needle.
And it's always
It
just a needle
happens.
there.
Oh, zip, so wait. Zip.
I could watch this all day. I love this.
Very aggressive. Good job.